Hi there, this is Joseph Strydom coming to you from Cape Town in South Africa. Today I want to show you 12 reasons why you should sign up with the virtual wealth system. And as you can see here on the page, the first one is, let me scoot myself over there. The first one is that it is free. Probably it's better if I'm over here. Yeah, the first one probably is that it is free, but let's start at the top. With a virtual wealth system, you can of course have your own businesses that you can put into the system, and 5 of your own. So you can build your list faster and with quality leads, and you'll be able to promote any business that you have. And now with the new capture page that Alonso has provided for us, you can generate quality traffic for your website, because you can have your own capture page and people can put in their name and the email address, and that way you build your list and you nurture that list and build a relationship with that people. You can, when you join, you obviously you will be able to ask Alonso to provide you with the capture page. He will make it for you. All that you will have to do is to give the code, your code of, say for instance, Traffic Wave or Get Response or Aweber or whichever reputable email provider you have. If you've got, you can get the code from them and then provide it to Alonso. He will build a page for you, a capture page for you, and then those leads will go directly into your autoresponder. So that is why we say you'll build your list faster with this capture page. You'll be able to promote any business, as I said, and you can generate quality traffic for your website. Let me just show you where you can put your businesses in, your own businesses over here. This is your replicate, will be your replicated company page, and there is the 5 places where you can put in your own businesses, and then you're going to promote, instead of promoting it one by one, you're going to promote it only with one link, and people will then see when they come into the system that there is your businesses and they can have a look at it. Alright, so let me go back here. You can earn unlimited 100% instant commissions, and let me show that to you. You will be able, this is the businesses. Keep it simple Simon, add commissions, cash in on banners, and easy one-up system. That's all 100 commission, instant commissions that's going to come to you. Nothing goes to admin, all goes directly to you. Then you will be able to earn unlimited residual income, and let me show that to you. So you can see I don't speak nonsense. You're going to have Traffic Wave, where you will get residual income. You will have global domains, where you'll have residual income, and you will have this fantastic business that very few people knows about, SignaSource. It's an email signature, and that's residual income. So you will have residual income coming into your business as well. So you'll get 100% instant income, which will help you with your cash flow, and then on a monthly basis you will have the 3 serious residual incomes from the 3 sites, and then I've also told you you can earn daily income from the 4 instant pay sites. I'm jumping around a little bit, but I want to show you, as I speak about it, I want to show you where it is so you can see what I'm talking about. You can earn up to 1,000 Rand per day with our system. You can earn a 6-figure income from home. Yes, from home. That is what Alonso is doing, and many of us are on our way there. And with Alonso's help, of course, you can earn 15 income streams promoting one link. That is what I said. You just promote one link for all these businesses, and you don't have to promote all of them as individuals, because that just wastes time. You will receive complete step-by-step training. As I said just now here, with you can earn a six-figure income from home, and I said that you can get that. Alonzo is already doing it, and he's teaching that to us, and I said he can help us do that because he has already reached that, and he's going to do that by showing us complete step-by-step training. It's all video trainings, and he's even got a 30-day step-by-step training, so every day you'll get a 4 to 10 minutes video depending on the subject. Every day a new subject, and he trains us for 30 days. Excellent, powerful. And then number 12, you can earn $7, $10, $25, and $100 instant cash. Alright, so that is the 12 reasons that I wanted to show you to sign up with the virtual wealth system. So come along, and as I said, come and share the wealth, come and share the abundance, come and share the prosperity with us here at the virtual wealth system. Have a look at the bottom. There is a link where you can sign up, and then you will be able and have the ability to have all of these 12 reasons to sign up with us. Alright, this is Joseph Strydom signing off. Keep well. Bye-bye.